We usually don't like to lose anything, especially our hair. Today I'm gonna talk about baldness after COVID-19, which I see in my patients terribly often. We will try to find out the causes of COVID-19 baldness and, most importantly, how to eliminate or reduce it. Let's go! Baldness or alopecia is hair loss that occurs on the scalp. Normally 50 to 100 hairs fall out every day, and usually we don't even notice it. However, hair loss after COVID-19 cannot be overlooked. Alopecia, including androgenetic alopecia, is related to the severity of COVID-19. Alopecia in COVID-19 can be caused by a number of reasons: toxic effects of infection, toxic effects of medications, ischemic disorders of the vessels of the head and brain, including those feeding the scalp and hair follicles, systemic hypoxia, systemic inflammatory reactions such as hyperinflammatory response and cytokine storm syndrome, hormonal disorders, problems with the thyroid gland, reproductive organs, adrenal glands, physical stress on the body, psychological and emotional stress, especially after a stay in the red zone of the hospital and long hours of watching TV and social media, inflammatory reactions of the body, nutritional deficiency, vitamin and mineral deficiency that were expanded to fight infection, one disease, one intoxication, and so many disrupted pathophysiological processes in the body. Now let's look at treatment methods for alopecia. The treatment of alopecia should be aimed primarily at the underlying disease that lead to the alopecia. I've been going over the methods of recovery from COVID-19 in detail. Be sure to check out the COVID-19 recovery playlist. The link is in the description below. Thus, the first and main point is the treatment and rehabilitation after COVID-19. The second most important point in treating alopecia is to replenish vitamin and mineral deficiencies, and one of the essential vitamins for our hair, skin and nails is biotin. Biotin is a water-soluble B vitamin that is predominantly found in hair and skin cells. It is needed for the synthesis of ascorbic acid and the normal metabolism of fats, proteins and carbohydrates. Biotin in the dosage of 10,000 micrograms, 1 capsule a day, can strengthen your hair and even help it to grow faster. This amazing supplement will definitely stop hair loss caused by biotin deficiency. Dull and gray hair adds extra years to our appearance. Biotin helps to protect hair from graying and thus look younger. In addition to the positive effect on your hair, you will improve the condition of your nails and skin because biotin controls the sebaceous glands and prevents acne. Biotin contains sulfur, which is necessary for the formation of collagen, the substance that makes up the bones, skin, nails, and of course hair. Collagen can promote hair growth and naturally thick, beautiful hair. Indulgence chocolate collagen includes only premium grass-fed collagen free from harmful toxins, which will support stronger and more voluminous hair. It's a delicious chocolate powder that you can use in hot chocolate, smoothies, baking, or anything else. Both collagen and biotin from CoBionic contain no fillers, no additives, no inflammatory ingredients, and are gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free. They have free shipping within the US. They also have worldwide delivery. Links to order these wonderful supplements are below this video. Moreover, if you are not satisfied with their products for any reason, just let them know within 60 days of ordering, and they will refund 100% of your purchase. This is what 100% satisfaction guarantee means. Let's move on to other nutrients. Patients with biotin deficiency present symptoms that are similar to those in patients with acrodermatitis enteropathica, inherent zinc deficiency. In a study on mice, scientists proved that biotin deficiency can lead to zinc deficiency. Reduced serum biotin and zinc levels have been recently reported in patients with male androgenetic alopecia, suggesting the close association between biotin and zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that is required for the catalytic activity of approximately 100 enzymes. Can you imagine? One mineral is necessary for 100 enzymes. What's more, our bodies have no storage space for zinc. That's why it has to come continuously with food or supplements. A wide variety of foods contain zinc. Oysters, red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, certain types of seafood such as crab and lobster, whole grains, etc. However, if you have a weakened immune system, hair loss, broken nails, you will need to consult a doctor about taking zinc supplements. Remember that high zinc intakes, more than 50 milligrams for more than a month, can inhibit copper absorption. Large amounts of supplemental iron greater than 25 milligrams might decrease zinc absorption. Keep these facts in mind when you take supplements. Another nutrient I want to talk about today is turmeric. Turmeric is a common spice that comes from the root of curcuma longa. It contains an active ingredient called curcumin. Curcumin has been used for centuries as an anti-inflammatory agent for disorders of the skin, upper respiratory tract, joints, and digestive system. Without a healthy digestive system, you can't grow healthy hair. Curcumin also has antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-neoplastic, and anti-androgenic properties. Its antioxidant properties help reduce the damaging effects of free radicals, which have a negative impact on the condition of skin and hair, among other things. A systematic review of the clinical evidence published in 2016 showed that turmeric products and supplements may provide therapeutic benefits for skin health. Skin conditions examined in this review include acne, atopic dermatitis, facial photoaging, oral lichen planus, pruritus, psoriasis, radiodermatitis, vitiligo, and of course alopecia. The purest and highest quality of curcumin possible is turmeric soothe from CoBionic. What's more, the purest and freshest curcumin is boosted with bioperine. Bioperine is a patent form of piperine, a substance extracted from pure black paper. It is piperine that gives black paper that spiciness that you feel in your mouth. The addition of piperine helps the body better absorb and use curcumin. You can take one veggie capsule once a day. It's easy to swallow, or you can open the capsule and add its content to your smoothie, green tea, or other favorite beverage. Ordering links for all of these nutrients are in the description below. So, to prevent baldness, we need biotin, collagen, zinc, and turmeric, and we also need to take proper care of our hair from the outside. That means picking a good shampoo, conditioner, and hair oil. I have tried so many different hair products, from simple herbal to expensive professional, and I found great hair products at an Ayurvedic store. These products are based on amla. Amla, or Philanthus amblica, is a fruit tree that grows in India, Pakistan, Southern China, Thailand, Malaysia, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. Amla oil has been used since ancient times to strengthen the hair. It is a natural source of vitamin C. Rich in vitamin C, amla is a powerful antioxidant that effectively strengthens and nurtures hair follicles, stimulates hair growth, restores damaged and weakened hair, as well as gets rid of dandruff and dissolves grease and dirt. Amla oil perfectly moisturizes the scalp. Amla shampoo gently and effectively cleanses the hair and scalp. When I used professional shampoos, immediately after washing, I liked the way my hair looked. But the next day, it looked like my hair was licked by a camel. What I especially like about Amla shampoo, after washing this shampoo on the second and even the third day, my hair is visually clean, glossy, and voluminous. That's it. Write your ways of fighting baldness below this video. Maybe your remedy will help others. And don't forget to share this video with your balding friends. Take care of your body, mind, and hair.